Before starting our topic models, we should know about verbs because models are a type of verb and all action words just like eat, sleep, go, they are called verb. Models are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs that we use to communicate a specific message. They express modality or the way we say something. A modal is the first word in a verb phrase. It supports the main verb. Modals do not have any inflection, means they do not change just like main verbs. Main verbs change their forms according to the subject or tense, but modals do not change their form. They do not change with a change in the subject, tense, voice, or number. For example, he can drive. Here the subject is a singular person, he. And here the modal verb is can. And they can drive. Here also with the plural subject, can modal is used. Now we will see uses of the different modal auxiliaries. Firstly, we will see use of can. Can is used to show ability. For example, he can write with both hands. For asking permission, can I borrow this book? For request, can you please talk softly? For offering the things, can I help you with the project? Now we will see use of could. Could is the past form of can, but sometimes it is used in the present also. So could is used for asking permission. For example, could I borrow your pencil? For request, for example, could you please carry this bag? For giving suggestion, for example, you could try another method. For showing possibility or probability, for example, it could rain today. For showing past ability, for example, I could climb trees easily. Next, we will see the use of modal may. May is used for asking request. For example, may I go first? For offering the things, may I help you with that bag? For asking permission, for example, may I take a cookie? For showing possibility or probability, for example, we may not win a gold medal. For showing wish, for example, may you be successful in whatever you do. Now we will see use of might. Might is used to show possibility or probability in future. For example, my cousins might come to stay with us. Next, use of will or will not. So, will or will not is used to show intention. For example, I will not go to the store today. For a request, for example, will you get me a glass of water? For showing prediction, will be used. It will be a cloudy day today. For making a promise, I will call you back at the earliest. Next, we will see use of modal would or would not. Would is the past form of will, but it is used in present also. Would is used for taking permission. For example, would you mind if I open the window? For request. For example, would you please lock the door? Next use of would is for giving invitation. Would you like to join us for dinner? Last use of would is for checking preference. For example, would not you like to order Chinese food? Next, we will see use of modal shall. Generally, shall is used with plural personal pronouns. Here we will see that shall is used to offer something. For example, shall I get you something to eat? Next use of shall is for giving suggestion. For example, shall we play another game? Next we will see use of should. So modal should is used for recommendation. For example, you should read books by Agatha Christie. Next use of should is for giving an advice. For example, you should not stay up so late. Next we will see use of modal ought to or ought not to. Modal ought to is used for giving an advice. For example, you ought not to be late. Modal ought to is also used for showing probability. For example, the bus ought to arrive soon. Next modal is must. We will see use of must or mustn't. Modal must is used to show obligation. For example, we must not take unnecessary risks. Next use of must is to show necessity. For example, I must go home now. Next we will see the use of modal need to or need not to. For example, modal need to is used to show necessity. For example, I need to buy some medicines. Need to is used to show compulsion. For example, you need not ring the bell twice. And need to is used to show insistence. For example, I need to wake up on time. Next use of next modal is has or have to or do not have to. So these modals are used to show necessity. For example, we do not have to buy groceries this week. To show obligation, we have to attend the function. At last, I want to mention here some important points for you. For example, could, would and may are used in formal settings. Means औपचारिक रूप से इनका प्रयोग होता है. While can may be used with friends and family. For example, could I take this chair? So you will use could when you will talk with a stranger. But can I take this chair? Can you will use with your friend or with family members. Next, need as a modal verb is mostly used in negative sentences or to convey a negative meaning. For example, he need not drive so fast. We need to finish our homework over the weekend.